And Stephen Edwards, who's no stranger to us here on the Morning Brew.
We have two guests in studio, Mr. Stephen Edwards.
With me this morning is Stephen Edwards.
And Mr. Kurt Gard from Atlanta.
I also have Kurt Gard.
As well as we have a special guest, Kurt, and Kurt is an Atlanta-based animator.
Good morning, gentlemen. Firstly, congratulations on your People's Choice Award for the green screen film.
Thank you so very much. The green screen was a really big win for us as People's Choice Award. We also won an award in India as well. Great Message, Best Mobile Film Award. Yeah. Kurt is here from Atlanta, actually visiting.
Thanks for having me, Kerry. Thank you, Sunny Trinidad and Tobago, for having me.
We are actually doing a workshop on Saturday. On Saturday, 17th of November, we're doing a one-day workshop. So anybody, especially young people who might be interested in getting into animation, this is the time.
But there's going to be a workshop on with Kurt. Kurt is going to be here to handle that. Yeah. And it takes place November 17th when?
November 17th from 9 to 5 at Hillview College. Saturday the 17th of November from 9 to 5 is a whole day workshop. The cost is $100 US. Lunch is included, and it's at Hillview College in Tunapuna.
Lunch included.
Lunch is included. So you get lunch included, and I'm sure it's going to be very trini.
Yes.
Are you having a workshop? So, Stephen, why are you having this workshop?
We want to really have a Caribbean workforce that we can now create opportunities for young people who might be interested in animation. It's a new, exciting field.
All over the world, people are developing their own styles of storytelling through animation. And we are, right now at the cutting edge of Caribbean style animation.
When you talk about opportunities for persons, are we selling dreams? Are you going to be marketable? Is there a market to gain employment from this?
Absolutely not selling dreams. The industry is now on a global scale. It is most definitely possible and available, readily available. The key is understanding through workshops like what we're offering, what those opportunities are, how to train to get yourself ready, and then how to put your foot in the door.
You don't have to be able to draw to animate.
Because I could do a little sketch or something.
It has nothing to do with drawing at all. That's a totally different job. Well, all you have to be is really interested in animation. That's the only qualification.
Well, tell me now, because I'm going to sign up.
All right.
Whenever you go into something that's unconventional or against the grain or something that no one's heard of before, it is difficult, and cutting your own path becomes difficult. But the beauty of it is, if you're successful at cutting your own path, you get to leave a path for those behind you. Just being able to be both creative person and business person in one, it creates a whole new breed of thinking that I think is necessary for this time.
Could you just give us the information about the workshop one more time?
Sure. It's at Hillview College. It's Saturday, November 17th. It's a whole day workshop, 9 to 5. The cost is $100 US, and lunch is included.
You could call 763-6603. That is 763-6603 for more information on that. And if you're interested in animation, this is a good start for you.
That animation really is the way to tell stories now. And if you're in storytelling, like I am, and it is not just about asking questions, but relaying a message and informing people, I think there's no better way. I don't know what it is psychologically, but people seem to always retain messages from animation. It's taking place at the Hillview College compound, and just $100 US. And sometimes you just have to explore something new. Do something different for yourself. And if you feel as though maybe your passion is calling you elsewhere, who knows? And if you are bursting with creativity, this may be the avenue to fine-tune your skills.